Hey guys, Rhett here at my client Alec's first Section 8 rental property, guys. I'm fired up for Alec. This house right here was a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom house. We turned it into a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house. Great layout, a lot of space, really, really nice, quiet area. Come on in and we'll show you what we did. So immediately upon entry, we built a wall, which is for bedroom number 1. So as you can see, bedroom number 1 here. This house had a rewire, did a lot of plumbing here, put a new roof on it, did a ton of stuff on the inside. All in, the construction was about $58,000 for everything in here. Added walls, we did all new flooring throughout, paint, ton of drywall work, plus a lot of mechanical items throughout this entire house. So a lot of things in here are brand new, and this house right now will rent for somewhere between $1,200 and $1,300 a month. Alec is all in this house for about $100,000. So the return profile on it's gonna be unbelievable. And it's a situation where we're looking at an after repair value for when Alec refis this thing of somewhere between $130,000 and $150,000. So tons of equity, between 30 and 50% forced appreciation in this house. Pretty awesome. So right here, bedroom 1, guys, we built this wall, new closet right here as well. So this was a room that did not exist, which is pretty cool, being able to create rooms out of thin air. And then you have a really nice bedroom right here. So really nice bedroom, ton of natural light. You walk in, you've got 2 bedrooms immediately, which is really nice. Off of this bedroom, you have a hallway, which leads you into bathroom number 1. So bathroom number 1, new toilet, vanity around the corner right here, brand new tub and shower insert here. We are waiting on water here to clean this place up. So about 98% done here outside the touch-up work, deep clean, and just a full-on clean of this thing. So bathroom number 1. So you have essentially your 2 rooms at the front here, plus your bathroom that they'll share. And then you have your living room. So living room right here, good sized living room, which then would lead us into the kitchen. So we have our kitchen right here. You've got an auxiliary room back there where you'll have your washer dryer. So all new hookups here for your washer and dryer with new plumbing as well. Exterior door in the rear here. And then as we continue to walk through, we have our bedroom 3 in here, okay? Bedroom 3, and then next to bedroom 3, we have the new bathroom that we added. So this whole back half of the house was originally 1 big bedroom. What we did was we cut it up a little bit, created a bathroom that was going to be accessible to everybody here, and kept that bedroom as well, just cut down the size of it a little bit. So brand new, of course, tub insert, toilet, and vanity. So really nice in terms of layout, size, brand new electrical, all new panel and everything here as well. So came out really nice. I'm really happy with it. And you know, when it comes to taking houses, this house right here probably hadn't been lived in probably 10 or 15 years. So when you get into houses like this, as you can imagine, you start tearing them open, you run into a ton of problems. And one of the biggest aspects and important aspects of having good teams on the ground to help you facilitate these things is having an understanding, or the teams at least having an understanding of what to do when you run into certain problems, whether they're plumbing related, electrical related, structure related, layout related. There are a lot of things that happen during these projects that might be unexpected, and making sure that you're able to take on those unexpected issues. For example, when we had a plan for this house, we have a layout in mind. But sometimes when the city gets involved in the layout, or you map the layout out on a piece of paper or in your mind, and then you start constructing it and you realize, hey, actually, this doesn't make sense to put a bedroom here, or this doesn't make sense to put a bathroom here. What if we move this? What if we move this? Those are all things that we take into consideration while the project is ongoing. Things that really matter for the tenant's livability and for the tenant to stay long term. So making sure that your team can react on the fly, making sure that they care. And you know, what really sets us apart in a lot of these projects is because we have everything in-house, construction, property management, we're not just putting this product out there and then saying goodbye, we'll never see you again. We're managing it as well in-house. So if there are problems here, we have to deal with those. So it holds us accountable to make sure that, hey, the tenant's having a good experience, the tenant's staying for a long time, and we're in this thing together. So when the tenant stays in here for a long period of time, Alec makes money for a long period of time, that's beneficial for us too, because if we have a management company in-house and we're taking fees from a management standpoint on this house long-term, we want to make money too for a long period of time. So it's in our best interest to make sure that the tenant stays in for a long period of time. So we are 100% aligned in our goals with clients. And guys, it's not difficult doing this stuff. It's very difficult doing it if you don't have teams. And I would tell you, don't do it at all. Find something else to do. But if you have a good team that you understand, knows what they're doing, and they've been doing it for a long time, and they put out hundreds and hundreds of thousands of units, that's who you need to do this with. People that care, people that are on the ground, that touch what we do, that are here, that not only talk about it, but are living it and do it and breathe it and taste it and sleep it. That is who you want to do this with. So if you want to do it with me and my team, guys, we'd love to have you. We'd love to help you do this. Send me an email in the description below. We'll get you started. As always, any questions, comments you have, please leave them in the comment section below. I'll get to all of them, and we'll see you next time.